Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Performance Cordless Hammer Drill 20V, the model PKHAP 20LIB2. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included. Compatible with all batteries in the X20V team series. Brushless motor, especially durable, powerful with low wear and tear. Up to 200% higher impact, up to 30% faster walk progress, up to 100% longer running time, up to 10 times longer motor life, compared to the Parkside cordless hammer drill without brushless motor. Spindle lock, ready to connect the power tool with a smart battery and a little app. Impact energy 3 joule, impact rate mode first 0 to 3265 BPM, and the second mode from 0 to 4700 BPM. No load speed first mode from 0 to 660 RPM, second mode from 0 to 950 RPM. Max drilling capacity 24 mm in concrete and stone, 13 mm in metal and 27 mm in wood. Included accessories we're gonna find out together, with a 5 years warranty. Well, who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Parkside Performance. I like the case, durable, black and red, with handle. And there is the tool with a manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this power tool. Depth stop, the handle, soft grip here. Wow, I like it. It is small, but definitely powerful. I like the black and gray, soft grip here. The red at the buttons, brushless it says here, and obviously we need a battery. I will use the 8 ampere hours, you can use the 4 ampere hours if that is smart or not smart battery. But with the smart battery, as I said, from the little app, you can check the performance, you can choose performance, eco, standard mode. I have made a video, you can check this video down below in the description for this battery. You will find it very interesting. Connect your battery with your smartphone and check how your battery is performing on discharging when you are using the power tool. Here we have the central selector switch for all functions, drill without impact, left or right, and here you can choose the modes, second mode, instant response. Next, we have hammer drilling with activated impact mechanism. Or second speed. Nice, I like it. The LED working light. Next we have chiseling activated impact mechanism with a rotation stop. Nice. Instant response when I'm changing the speed. And the last, adjustment for chisel alignment, stepless. And here we can see we have this suck absorber. When it's working, very helpful for your hand. Nice. And of course you can install in this handle. And you can install in this depth stop. Just press the button and adjust it. I like it. And of course we have on the front the keyless jack with STS Plus system. Just pull down that and install the drilling bit. That was all, so easy. Pull again to remove. This is for chisel. You need a chisel bit. Well, I like it. I think I will test it for drilling on a concrete, wood, on a soft brick. I have made a video about this cordless hammer drill. The first model, it didn't have this speed control here, and the batteries was regular. The larger battery was 4 ampere hours. Now we have the smart batteries, 8 ampere hours. It will last longer and you will work more and more outdoors without worry if your battery will end shortly. You can check on that video down below in the description or after the end of this video. You will find it very interesting. Well, let's move on. Amazing! 20mm diameter and the length it is 22mm. Good job! Fast drilling on the concrete and soft brick, same on the wood. The 8 ampere hours battery will last long enough to finish your job. It depends the magnitude. It costs 80 euros only the hammer drill. If you don't have a battery, you need to give 33 euros for the 4 ampere hours, 50 euros for the 4 ampere hours smart battery, and 70 euros for the 8 ampere hours smart battery, and another 15 euros for the charger. So do the math and you will know how much it costs all this. I'm very happy with this tool. More products are coming from Parkside, Performance Power Tools. Until my next video, don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.